Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook page easily and step by step. I mean full guide you can get from this video, okay? And I will also tell you how to earn money from Facebook page, okay? So actually I have a video about it. I mean how to create Facebook page, and you can see in here this is my video, and it's actually uploaded this video about 2 years ago, okay? So this kind of old, okay? So right now that's why I'm gonna making a new video and full guide, okay? If you follow my video that time, you can easily learn how to create a full professional Facebook page through a mobile phone, okay? So it will take maybe 10 or more minutes, okay? So don't skip any second, just watch till the end. And before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store and then make sure your Facebook application is already up to date, okay? So you can see in here I have just updated my Facebook application. So after updating, just click on the open option and log in your ID in that Facebook application. And after that, you can see in here 3-dot line, so just click on it for creating Facebook page, okay? So this is the first step. So just scroll down and you can see in here pages option, right? So just click on it, pages. And actually you can see I have got lots of page. I mean I just tested by myself, okay? So that's why I create lots of page. So if you wanna create a new page, so for that you can see in here upper level create option. So just tap on the create option and you can see these types of interface in here, okay? Create your page. So just click on the get started option in here, and then what do you want to name this page? So just choose any kinds of name for your Facebook page name, okay? So let me choose my name, suppose Ivan. So after giving this, just click on the next option in here, and wait please, and you can see in here what category best describes this page, okay? So you can add up to 3 categories, okay? So I will add maybe personal blog. There you can see popular categories in here, but you can also search from here also, okay? So personal blog, and second is beauty, cosmetics and personal care. And if you have any other choices, you can search from here, okay? So let me click on the search option, and I can also add suppose restaurant, okay? So if I add it, you can see fast food restaurant. So let me choose fast food restaurant. So after adding 3 types of categories, you can see in here next option in the bottom. So just click on the next option, and you can see in here, do you want to add an address? So you can enter your address in here, but if you don't want to add right now, you can skip it. Just click on the I don't want to add an address, and after that just click on the next option in here, and then you can see in here, do you have a website for even? If you have any kinds of website, just add in here, but if you don't have, then just click on the I don't have website, and then click on the next option in here, then add image to this page, okay? So you can see in here add cover photo. So just click on the add cover photo, and you can choose any kinds of photo for your Facebook page cover. Okay, let me choose my photo in here. So just click on the save option, and this is the cover photo, okay? You need to add your profile picture also. So just click on it, add profile picture. So after adding your profile photo, just click on the done option in here bottom level, and you can see connect WhatsApp to Facebook. It will you can add your WhatsApp in here. So let me add my WhatsApp. and you can see in here country code. So let me give my WhatsApp number in here. So after giving that, it will send one kinds of code number to your WhatsApp. So let me collect my code number, and the code number is 67662. okay, after giving that, just click on the continue option and your WhatsApp button will be added on your Facebook page. Okay, just click on the next option in here and just swipe right. Okay, and you can see invite friends like to this page. No need to do that. Connect WhatsApp, we already connected it, right? And create a welcome post, don't need to do that. And you can see in here set up automated message, just click on the setup messaging, and you can see in here instant replay. So just click on it and your instant replay will be you can just click on it. Suppose sometimes we give some messages to the page, right? And that time we got automated message from that page. Okay, so you can write whatever you want from here, otherwise you can choose it by default. Okay, so just click on the save option in here and your automated message already saved. And then again swipe right and add an action button for visitor, just click on it, add button, and you can save your WhatsApp button as an action button. Okay, just click on the save option in here and then again swipe right and add more information to even. You can click on the get started. And one more thing, sometimes we just exit this option, right? And how can we actually add that again? Just go to your page option from here and then go to again this is my page Ivan, and just swipe down and you can see in here a setting gear, right? So just click on it and then click on the general option from here and wait for a few seconds. And there is something allow people to contact my page privately in Messenger. I mean, you can turn on a message option for your page. So just select on the turn on option and allow post and story sharing to stories, just turn on. And this is the very important thing, I mean publish and unpublish. Just select the publish option, otherwise your viewers or people will not find your page. Okay, so after doing all this thing, just get back from here and now click on the page info, and you can see in here your page name, your category, your picture and website, and one more thing, add a description. Okay, so you can add a description, I mean what about your page. Okay, so right now I don't do it, just you can add your description. Okay, and then click on the save option from here, and after doing that, just you can also add your phone number from here, but right now I don't do it. And one more thing, location, you can also add it, just tap on it and give your street address, city and map location, everything you can give from there. Okay, and after doing that, there you can see hours, no hours available, just click on it and you can select your page always open as like our standard hours. I mean from which time to which time your page will be available. You can select edit hours and then you can choose Monday, and this is the time from 9 AM to 5 PM, or you can select here suppose 8 PM and then click on the OK option. Everything, I mean just Tuesday, and after doing that, just click on the done option and then click on the save option in here. And one more thing, you can add your price range from here, no non known, you can add your price from here. Okay, anything. Okay, just click on the save option, and after that there is also lot of things in here will be available. Okay, just get back from here, and after doing that, one more thing, just again get back, and you can see in here create page username. Okay, you will need to give a username, and if you give it that time, I mean if you give your username and description, then people will get more benefit. I mean your page will be available for everyone. Okay, through this username, just select random username, I mean unique username. Suppose my channel name rare iTech, and you can see this username isn't available, so let me add some unique word, and you can see I have got username. So click on the create username option, and actually by this process you can create a Facebook page professionally. Okay, and after creating your Facebook page, you need to upload a video or giving post, and when you will get 10,000 followers and 30,000 minutes, that time you can able to apply for monetization and you can earn money. Okay, so this is the video, I mean how can you create a Facebook page and how can you earn money. I mean if I will discuss how can you earn money, that will be a long video. Okay, so I will discuss in another video this thing, but if you get 10,000 follower and 30,000 minute, that time you can able to apply for monetization, I mean for earning money. So this is the video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like, and do subscribe.